Oh, he is like directly above us. Like it couldn't be more directly above us. It's also kind of breezy. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Bosque episode. This is rare bird chasing session number 2. And it's actually been a partial success. So I heard there was a long-tailed duck up here, and sure enough, I found it. And I was way too frantic to start the vlog then because I actually ran away from camera lady. So she couldn't film me. But now I got the long-tailed duck. I was very surprised, very happy. He's like the coolest looking thing ever. But also I was informed by one of the Bosque rangers that there is a pair of white-tailed kites that are up here. So we're gonna look for those next. And anything else we see is just a bonus. I'm super happy with the long-tailed duck. Well, I'm gonna circle around and see if I see him again. We're also looking for my nemesis birds, the hooded mergansers. I know they're here. I've seen some photos of them. I've checked eBird. They're here. But they are my nemesis bird for a reason, so you might not see them, at least on my vlog. Oh, what are the geese doing? Hold on. What are they doing? What are you guys doing? There might be a harrier out there. Okay, there's some cranes and a lot of pintails. Okay, that was a false alarm. They all flew up for a second, and there was a red tail above me and a harrier on the other side. So I'm also hoping for a gray ghost, which is the male version of the harrier. I actually don't have any good photos of the male. I have a lot of the females. Well, we're gonna see what we can see. So let's get driving. Oh my God, this is pure chaos. All the snow geese are going crazy. This 700 is too much. I'm gonna switch. Luckily, I brought, oh, that's a 70 to 200. You know what? That's gonna work. Whatever. I'm stealing camera lady's 70 to 200. She was just asking me, hey, can you get the 70 to 200? And I was like, yeah, I'll get your 70 to 200, and then I'll get my 1 to 400, and then I grabbed the wrong bag, and I don't have the 1 to 400, and now it's 70 to 200 for me. And camera lady gets a 2470. Wow. There's not really too much good photo opportunities right now because it's crazy, but it's good enough for video. Wow. They are going crazy. Look at this. That's quite a few snow geese. There's a bunch of cranes out there too. So what we're waiting for is for sunset. They're all gonna take off and go to their roosting ponds, which is where I want to meet them. But man, look at that. That is so many. Ah, that's looking good. Very cool. Yeah, no photo opportunities, but really cool video. Just to see them all like in mass, you know, just swarming. There's a bunch of cranes coming in too. All right, I don't want to stick around here too much though, because I want to get those kites before. I don't want to get, I don't want to lose track of time and then forget about the kites. Oh, they're all coming in. Oh my goodness, look at this. Here they come. Wow. Okay, all right, let's go find some kites. There's some northern shovelers right there. There's a lot of cool things at Bosque, but basically all I'm trying to say is don't discount the shovelers or the normal things, because they're really cool. We've got really great light. It's about to be sunset. The water's super blue. The shovelers are iridescent, incandescent, one of those two. Definitely iridescent. Oh, there's something out there. Hold on. More shovelers. All right, well, there's some that are closer and they're eating right now, and they're kind of like going along the shore right here. So I stopped behind this tree, and so they can't see me, and I'm next to a road anyways. So I'm hoping they won't pay too much attention. I'm just gonna go lay down right here. Like, also, I guess I'm trying to say, like, put some effort into getting like a decent shot, even if it's the normal guys, because I think I'll have a good chance of getting a cool shot of them. he just flapped. Oh, there goes the sun. That's a lot of blackbirds. Got another blackbird murmuration over there. Red wing. Well, I think probably gonna wrap it up here. I'm gonna go back down there and I'm gonna take the teleconverter off and just go F4 for the last of the cranes coming in. We got a cool crane fight. I didn't film it though, but I got the sequence of it. It was pretty cool. A couple of buffleheads. Very happy about that. Buffleheads are hard to get close to, and out here, I would love to be able to just like hang out here in a blind or like lay down in my ghillie suit or something like all day long. Probably freak people out. But we're gonna wrap it up here. I think it was pretty cool going from like being so stoked about seeing the rare birds like the long-tailed duck and whatnot, and then ending up with like all of these more common birds, you know, like I spent a lot of time just right over here with the northern shoveler, and I'm really happy with those shots. And then a couple of the sandhill cranes behind me in the water, maybe those are okay, I don't know. But I'll put the rest of what I got up here so you guys can see. But I think that'll do it for me. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of that long-tailed duck. I think he's pretty cool. That was definitely, even though, you know, I just said common birds are cool, that long-tailed duck was awesome. I'm gonna be back out here tomorrow, and I'm gonna be back out in the morning. We'll see if we see him again, but I'll be working in the morning, so I won't be filming for the workshop stuff. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.